This is an easy question conceptually. Probably will slowly move up the scale to medium based on the numbers that we need to do to calculate it. Right? But definitely an easy question, should take you about a minute to solve this with all the calculations thrown in. At the end of solving this question, I provided you with a bonus question. Solve the bonus question, but I tweak the information a little bit and post your answers to the comment section of this video. So let's get started. Before that, have you subscribed to the channel? So thank you so much. If not, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Let's get started with this question. The wages earned by Robin is 30% more than that earned by Erica. So we have comparison between Robin and Erica in terms of Erica's wages. The wages earned by Charles is 60% more than that earned by Erica. Charles to Erica, again, we have a comparison in terms of wages earned by Erica. So both Robin and Charles, we have the base as Erica. How much percentage is the wages earned by Charles more than that earned by Robin? Now we want to compare Charles in terms of Robin's wages. So here the base for comparison is Robin's wages, right? So these are given to us. Let's get started. See, this is given in terms of percentage. This is percentage. What we are trying to compute is also a percentage. So to that extent, this is a pure percentage question. So assigning numbers makes life really easy. Assigning something to be 100 makes it even easier. What can be assigned as 100? Whichever is used as a base more often than not. In this case, Erica's salary is the comparison for both Robin's and Charles. So let's start by assigning Erica's salary or wages to be equal to 100. So Robin got 30% more than what Erica did. So 30% more than 100, it is 130. So having 100 as a base, therefore makes our life so much easier in terms of computation. Charles earned 60% more than Erica. Erica is 100. 60% more than that is 160. Now what do we have? Robin is 130. Charles is 160. We need to express how much more is Charles in terms of what Robin earned. What is the delta? If Robin is 130, Charles is 160, the delta is 30. Charles is earning $30 more than $130 that Robin earns. So essentially, we want to find out how much percentage is Charles' wages greater than that of Robin's. The delta divided by Robin's wage, which is a base, times 100. Because if the same thing had been, what percentage is Robin's wages lesser than Charles, the delta will be the same 30. Now we are comparing Robin in terms of Charles. So the base would have been Charles' salary. The original question that we are trying to solve is essentially what percentage is Charles' wages more than that of Robin's. So base is going to be Robin's wages. Delta is 30 divided by Robin's wage, which is 130 times 100 is what we have. These two get cancelled. So we're left with 300 by 13 percentage. 260 by 13 is 260, another 40 left, that's 23 and then something. So approximately 23% is what the answer should be. Let's take a look at the answer options. 23% is choice A, which is the correct answer to this question. Here is a bonus question that I mentioned where I'm not changing the numbers so much as I've changed the information a little bit. The comparison changes here. The wages earned by Robin is 30% more than that earned by Erica. So there is no change at all here. The wages earned by Charles is 30% more than that earned by Robin. This number has become 30 instead of the 60 there. But now Charles' wages are compared not to Erica's but to Robin's. What do we have to find out? How much is the wages by how much percentage is the wages earned by Charles more than that earned by Erica? The original question, Charles to Robin. This question, Charles to Erica. These are the 5 answer options. Solve the question and post your answers to the comment section of this video. Best wishes for your GMAT preparation.